In this video we will talk about a most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView. Now let's start from what indicator we will use in this video. In this video we will use two indicators. The first indicator is called Mobo Bands. Mobo Bands indicator will make us know the buy and the sell signal. The second indicator is exponential. Moving average 200. This indicator will help us to know the direction of the trend. Now I will explain how to install this indicator. We are using TradingView to use this indicator. Go to tradingview.com. Choose a currency pair and set the time frame to 1 hour. Click on Indicator and search for Mobo Bands. Click on it. Now again click on Indicator and search Moving Average Exponential. Click on it. Go to Settings of the Moving Average Exponential Indicator and change the input length to 200. Now your chart will look like this. After that I will explain how to use this buy-sell strategy. And if you want to increase your profit, literally on every single trade with zero spreads, so that you can open pinpoint orders. Millions of traders are using Exness trading platform to get an edge on their competition. You can open account using our link in description and also use our code to get 50% deposit bonus. And also don't forget to use our code. Sign up right now. Now how to trade using this strategy. To take buy trades, we will look the Mobo Band indicator. When there is a buy signal on Mobo Band indicator and the chart is above 200 moving average, go for buy trade. And when there is a sell signal on Mobo Band indicator and the chart is below 200 moving average, go for sell trade. Now we will see some examples. Here the chart is above 200 moving average. There is a buy signal on Mobo Bands indicator. You can go for buy trade. Set the stop loss to the last low of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times. So we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see the result of our setup. This setup hit the take profit. Here is a sell signal on Mobo Bands indicator. And the chart is below 200 moving average. You can go for sell or short transaction. And set the stop loss to the last high of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times. So we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Talk about the conclusion. Now we want to tell you the conclusion of this indicator. This indicator is one of the most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView. This strategy only has 6% of maximal drawdown. This is a good strategy for you to try. So that's all about the most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView. I hope you can understand the content of the video. Please support this channel by giving a like and subscribing to this channel so we can develop in the future. We are MK Forex Edge. This video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram group so you can get free education or trading signals for free. See you in the next video.